Okay, so we're gonna make this keychain. I already took off the plastic cover for the acrylic. So you're just gonna need any shape acrylic that you have on hand, some glow in the dark powder, any type of glitter color that you wanna use, some UV resin, something to mix in your UV resin with your glow in the dark powder. I just have some toothpicks to use to mix it, some transfer paper or transfer tape, a UV lamp, and what I'm going to put onto my keychain. So first, I'm going to take some of this UV resin and I'm going to pour some on there, and then I'm going to put on the glitter. So I'm just going to add the glitter in. And then I'm just going to spread this. So make sure you spread it all over just to coat your entire keychain. So once you add as much glitter as you like, then you're going to turn on your UV lamp to let the UV resin set. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna push this under here, and then I'm gonna set it on there so that it can set. All right, then you're gonna take some UV resin, you're gonna put it into your little container, and then you're gonna add some of your glow in the dark powder. All right, so then you're gonna mix in your powder until you get the consistency that you like. So then once this is dry, then you're gonna put onto your glow in the dark powder and your resin on top. All right, so add this whole entire thing on there, and then we're gonna spread it across the back part of this keychain. All right, so once the entire thing is covered again, you're gonna put this UV lamp on again and let it cure. Okay, so I did the UV lamp 2 times on 60 seconds for each coat of the UV resin, and so it's dry. So then now I'm just gonna flip this over here, and it looks like this, and then I'm going to use my transfer tape to stick on these permanent adhesive vinyl. So I'm just gonna take a piece of transfer tape, and I'm gonna put it on this one. I'm gonna transfer to here and do the same for that one. All right, so I have this piece on the transfer tape. So I'm just gonna line it up on here and place it down. So I'll just get it a little bit closer for you guys. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the same for this part. So I'm gonna take the transfer tape and I'm gonna put it on here. And then I'm gonna transfer that onto here. And then lastly, you just add on your key ring. So I'm going to add that on there. All right, and then you're left with your cute little keychain, and let's do the glow in the dark. All right, so there you guys go. Thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Stay blessed.